Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to find out 5 business tips for online marketing. Online marketing has become an essential part of today's marketing strategy. The internet allows businesses to reach customers anywhere at any time. This is why so many people are choosing to start their own businesses online. It's how you get your message out to the world and make them aware of your brand. It allows you to reach thousands of new people with just a few clicks, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Online marketing is important because it allows you to build up a following for yourself that you can use for future developments in your business. If you don't have an online presence, then all of those potential customers won't know about your product or service at all. If they aren't aware of what you're doing, then they might not even consider buying anything. But if they do see your page, they might just become loyal customers. That's why it's so important that you start building up an audience today, so that when they need something later on down the road, like maybe right now, they'll remember who did it first. What makes an online marketing strategy so effective? Here are 5 tips for online marketing to consider when you're thinking about starting an online business. 1. Your website should be mobile-friendly. Mobile-friendly websites are important for online marketing. If you want to attract more customers and increase your sales, you must have a mobile-friendly website. If you're an online marketer, you know that mobile friendliness is an important factor in your success. With more than half of all internet traffic coming from mobile devices, it's not just a nice to have anymore, it's a must-have. But what does that actually or exactly mean to you? It means that if you want to be successful in the future, you need to focus on making sure your website is mobile friendly. Here are a few tips about how you'll be able to do this. A. Make sure your website is responsive. Make sure it will look great on every screen size and device, including tablets and laptops. B. Make sure all pages load quickly. No one wants to wait for a page to load when they're trying to buy something online. Make sure images are served from an external file server or CDN, so they don't slow down the site as much as if they're all pulled from within the site itself. C. Use HTTPS for all links. HTTPS ensures the safety of information being sent over the internet by using encryption and security measures, including server certificates and SSL certificates, which encrypt all data sent between the user's browser and server. 2. Understand your target audience. The second tip for an online marketing business is to understand your target audience. This can be done by looking at their behavior on other platforms, or by talking to them directly. For example, if you have a blog that talks about travel, you might want to figure out what people who are looking for information about travel want from your content. Do they want reviews? Do they care about price? Do they want stories about people's experiences? You can also look at what your competitors are doing on social media and compare it. Are they posting lots of pictures? Are they talking about price? What do you think they're trying to say with their posts? Finally, you can look at how much time people spend on different platforms, such as Facebook versus Twitter versus Instagram. This will give you an idea of where people are spending most of their time online. It's important to remember that this is not some abstract thing. This is real money on the line. If your customers aren't happy with whatever services or products you're offering them, then they won't be happy with anything else that comes out of your business. So make sure that whatever it is you're offering fits into their needs. 3. Consistency in your content marketing strategy. Content marketing is one of the most important things for your online marketing business. It's also an excellent way to build your online business. But how do you make sure that you're consistently producing high-quality content that people want to read? It's the consistency of your content which make you noticed in the eyes of audience. The first step to being consistent in your content marketing strategy is to understand what consistency is. In the world of online marketing, consistency is a very important concept. Consistency means that your content is being created and shared consistently across all your channels. It also means that you're sharing the same message and tone across all your channels. For example, if you're promoting a new product on Facebook and Twitter, but not Instagram, you're not being consistent with your messaging. Content marketing strategy should be implemented across all platforms so that viewers can see the same message you want them to see whenever they visit one of your various sites. The second step to being consistent in content marketing strategy is creating better content. This means creating more engaging text posts and images that are easier to consume and share on social networks like Facebook and Twitter. The third step is scheduling posts ahead of time so that they don't get lost in the clutter of other posts from other accounts with similar messages as yours. This happens if you don't plan ahead. 4. Optimize your website for search engines. Optimizing your website for search engines is an important step in making sure that people can find your business. If you want to sell your products or services, it's crucial that people are able to find you online. And the best way to do that is by using SEO, or search engine optimization. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. The goal of SEO is to make sure that Google and other search engines find your site, while making it easy for people to find you. The easiest way to do this is through copywriting and page design. There are a lot of ways you can optimize your website for search engines. Here's a quick guide. A. Keywords. The first thing you should do is choose keywords that will help people find what they're looking for when they enter into Google and other search engines like Bing or Yahoo. You can use software like SEMrush to help you find these keywords quickly and easily. B. Content. The second thing is to make sure that the content on your site is relevant, and also make sure the URL is also relevant to your site's content. C. Include meta descriptions that provide more information about your site. D. Make sure you have a search box on your site so visitors can find what they're looking for. 5. Social media presence. Creating a social media presence that matches your business goals and objectives can be a little tricky, but it's not impossible. The key is to start with a strategy that makes sense for your brand and audience. Here are some tips for creating a social media presence that reflects the values of your company. A. Use content that fits the brand voice. For example, if you're an outdoor clothing brand, you might want to post photos of people enjoying the outdoors or sharing tips on how to make the most of your time outside. Make sure that the content is relevant to who you are as a company, so people feel like they're getting something they'd want from your brand. B. Be consistent in how often you post new content, no more than once per week. This helps build trust with followers and provides them with something fresh and interesting to check out every day or week. It also shows that you care about being present on social media, so people will feel more connected to what's happening in your world. C. Incorporate images of yourself into posts, as well as videos if possible, so followers will have a sense of who they're interacting with online. So these were our 5 business tips for online marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.